New Year, everyone. I love you so much. Thank you so much for being part of my world. Thank you, each one of you. I wish you all the best for this wonderful year. May all your dreams come true, and may you experience whatever experience you want to have, because nothing is off limit. We are unlimited potential. Everything is lying in you as potential. I wish you ease, I wish you well-being, I wish you abundance, I wish you happiness. Really, everything that you wish for, I give it to you. My wish is that you fulfill all of them. Okay, so January 1st 2025 is over. Resolution are nice, but now it's time for action. Okay, because if you really want to succeed in 2025, then do this today, not tomorrow. And I'm not saying this only for you, because we are all in this together. So I'm saying also to myself, let's do this today, not tomorrow. Because 2025 won't be any different if you keep using the same strategy as you did last year. Yes, because if you don't change anything, nothing is going to change. For things to change, you've got to change. So you will keep repeating the same thing, you will have the same result. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a personal impact plan to achieve results you may have never been able to achieve in a short time that you will do this year. So this is a clear structure broken into 3 simple steps with actionable tactics. Hi, my name is Cecile, and I help professionals just like you optimize their resource management, I mean their time, their energy and money, so that they can achieve their goal while experiencing well-being. Who doesn't want to be happy, right? Everyone, no? So next, first step is about identifying your 3 pillar impact pillar. Generally, as human beings, we have 3 basic pillars that is really like non-negotiable to all of us. It's a professional, what you do for your living, and the next is personal, and the last one is about relationship, because as social being by nature, we want to belong, we want to feel that we are not all alone in this world. So the first one is professional. If you are an entrepreneur, you may want to sign 5 new contracts, or launch a new product, or maybe improve your rate of income, maybe 5-10% rate, or maybe 20%. Why not? We can do anything, right? So the tactic I would suggest is to make a list of 10 potential clients to contact this week. Maybe reach out to someone, maybe on social media, or maybe personally, or maybe network. So just list the network event that you want to go and want to meet those people, and really like start with the 3 most important one. And basically, if you are looking for your personal life, surely it's maybe improve your health or energy. Maybe it's by walking, maybe by running or doing whatever, or going to the gym. I will just suggest not to overwhelm yourself, because basically what happens is that people would like do the new year resolution, and then they will start, at some point they will be overwhelmed because they push themselves so hard. So start small, and then download maybe a fitness app that you can keep on your cell phone, or something that could motivate you, and then block the time in your daily calendar. And the next one is about relational. It's example, you want to reconnect with 5 key relationships, or maybe build your own network. The tactic that I would suggest is to really to send a sincere message to an important person today itself, or maybe decide which network you are going to research people and connect with them, and specifically decide the profile of the people you are looking for, because you don't want to associate with anyone, because we are the average of the 5 people that we usually get along with. So it's important to pay attention to those small things, those details you may overlook before, but now it's important to pay attention to those things. And the step number 2 is to use the 90 days method. 90-day method is really about dividing the year into quarters. So it's like focus on the 3 main objectives like we listed before, Example, increase your revenue by 10 or 20%, launch a new product, or feel more energized. And then I advise just to identify 3K action for this month, because don't load yourself. We sometimes drop New Year resolution because we start strong and we want to do everything at once, or maybe we overload goals and then we have so many things to do and finally we do nothing. So don't do that this year, please. Identify just 3K action for this month. Example, maybe you want to create a marketing plan, or maybe you want to maybe hire an assistant, or maybe you just keep like 3 times going to the gym this week and build from there. Maybe after 3 weeks you can increase 4 times and gradually move from there. No need to keep yourself a commitment to visit the gym every day when you have not done anything like that in December 2024. You just sign yourself up for dropping everything altogether after few times. So the next is about blocking your schedule. So reserve like 2 hours this week to work on those action steps. Then what I would strongly suggest also is to plan weekly. Like break your quarter into weekly action block. If your goal is to sign 5 clients, maybe you can plan like Monday I will just research the people with their profile that I'm looking for, and Tuesday I will do an initial outreach, and Thursday I will follow up. So yeah, in that case, I would suggest that you plan a digital calendar like Google Calendar, or a physical board with column to label like to do, in progress, and done. This you can easily do with an Excel spreadsheet. So the step 3 is about measuring your impact, and it's essential to track progress and adjust as needed, because at the end of each week I would strongly suggest that you ask yourself these 3 questions. What did I accomplish this week? What are my priorities for next week? What habits should I adjust to be more effective? So I would suggest also that it's important to use a simple tracker with column like goals, progress, and adjustment. And by applying this plan today, you won't just stay busy, you are going to be impactful in your own life. And by March, you will surely notice difference in your life. So what are you waiting for? Start now. Now is your turn. Please share with me 3 impact pillar in the comment. Uh, and I would love to hear from you, because 2025 won't be any different unless you change something today. So what will you do to start strong? Act now and you will see the result by the end of this first quarter. Thank you again for watching, and see you on our next video. Bye now.